Hi! Aloha for today's ganap. Be with me on my unboxing series of this product. Basin ganahan sad mo for your reference. This is a handheld fan from Jisoo Life ug ako ni siya napalit from the Orange app. And it comes with lanyard, Type-C cable wire, na for charging, and napod siya manual wherein naka-indicate sa manual precautions before use, instruction, removing the battery in case imo na siya i-dispose kay naguba, so na proper way of disposal, safety precautions, product specifications, and packaging accessories. And then, here's our super cute na fan. Ganahan kay ko very bet. The design is very chada. Pwede ra gid nimo masud sa imong mga small bags, purse, or even sa imong bulsa. And most of all, what I like on this product is 2000 mAh na iyang battery. So, dugay-dugay siya malubat compared to sa mga baligya sa ubang store na less than 100 ang iyang price. So, goods na jud kayo ni for 199 pesos. And by the way, hi